Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another embagging, so that means we have another review. Let's see who this bag is from. Oh, I see a cross stitch kit. Oh, I see another one. Hang on. Gotta get it. Oh, goodness. Well, that's a big old lump of fabric. Okay, this is from Fansells. And we'll start with this one. It is a 21 by 30. I don't need those big fat scissors anymore. Isn't that pretty? It does have some back stitching in it. I'm not seeing anything else. You know, like, oh, what do you call them? Seriously. Any French knots. I couldn't think what I wanted to say, but it is a Joy Sunday kit, or Joy Sunday wannabe. Isn't that pretty? Look at all those lovely, lovely things. I just thought it was cute, and it's only 21 by 30, so I'm sure the back stitching's going to do it for it. It's 90 by 126, and it has 21 colors. Has back stitch. There is a French knot. Maybe it's in the bird's eye or something. I'm not sure. We'll find out here in a minute. But 21 colors, and use 5 colors for back stitching to go around certain things. So I thought that was kind of cool. French knot, it doesn't say. Oh, I see where the French knots go. Goes right here on the holly berries on the picture. So nice big chart. It does not match your canvas. Let's take a look at the colors. Whoops, everybody's nice long colors. Does come with 2 needles. Does have the product number on it. It says 14 count. It says how many strands you get and the colors that there are. Looks like 310 black. Look at that blue. There's some red. It's not 325, it's 347 and 349. Huh, look at that blue. Isn't that beautiful? You have kind of a burgundy color. And some more blues and greens. There's 2, 3, 4 shades of green. That's kind of a greenish black. It's 844. Pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. We'll just fold it up here. And let's look at the canvas. And it does have the product numbers that were on the front of the pattern. Has a nice key, runs along here. You can I don't know, it's really kind of difficult to see the product numbers. You can see the symbol, but it's really kind of hard to see what those numbers are running across the top and the bottom since it's so small. But it's not too terribly small. I don't know. It's different. Let's see. 21 by something, I think. 21 by 30? Is that what that said? It is 30 and a half. Maybe it was 31. By 21, right on the number. And the actual picture size is, looks like 16 and a half, which is 6 and a half by 23 centimeters almost, and 9. So 9 by 6. So 9 by 6 and a half. So yeah, and it doesn't look too difficult. Like I said, the what do you call it? We're having a problem with words today. With the back stitching, it'll really make, bring everything out. But you don't do that or the French knots to last. See, there's the symbol. And it has a symbol right here for the little blue dots. I don't see that symbol anywhere else, so. Cool. Cool. Awesome. Love it. I just thought it was a pretty little picture. I didn't realize it was quite that small. Now, that one was $2.85. So, yeah. Let's take a look at this monster. Let me get it out of the bag for you. You'll know why I got it. Yeah. Had to have it. Okay, get rid of the plastic baggie. Isn't that stunning? Oh my god. It is so beautiful. Look at the colors. Just absolutely gorgeous. It is 148 by 65. Now I wrote down 150 by 66. So I'm not seeing those numbers there, but that's what I think it said on the, what do you call it, on the website. But look at those peonies. Aren't they just, and I don't know if they're roses or just what they are, but they are just absolutely stunning. And it's kind of a impressionistic looking painting, so we'll see how that's going to all come out. Does it say? No. It says 600 by 240, so that's 600 stitches across and 240 up and down. So yeah, it's quite big. It does come with a nice booklet. What's this here? Oh, it comes with an instruction page. Nice big paper. Yeah, lovely. Wanted to see. No, I thought maybe this was going to be one of those like that says Chinese cross stitch or something to that effect, you know, that I've had before. It does say DMC standard colors, high definition, printed by Heidelberg, so it's close. 11 count. We use 3 strands to embroider and 2 strands. It says we use 3 strands, embroider. I don't know if it means the back stitching. So, but it has a nice big huge pattern. I'm not going to unfold all that, but yeah, it's just gorgeous. And they have broken it down, you know, this page 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to page 16. Yeah, so if you want to do it just page by page, you sure can. I don't know. We're going to have to check the symbols to see if they match or not. 66 colors. Now, I don't see any back stitching. Let me just peek here. It is kind of big. It's like unfolding a map at this point. It's all one giant piece of paper. That's why I didn't really want to undo it. But I don't see any back stitching or French knots or half stitches or anything weird. It is full coverage, guys. Full coverage. So let's open this up. Oh, look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you get a whole bag of spare threads. I'm not going to take them out of there because I'll never get them back in. You see corals and light olives and some gray. Look at those. It's like a bluish purple and like a Wedgwood blue sort of color here. And then maybe a light steel blue. I don't know how to explain. Oh God, there's even more on the back. So yeah, this is a pretty full bag. It does have the number for, you know, that's going to match your thread cards on the ends of each one. But we have some light tans over here and some yellow. Look at that pink. Oh, it even comes with a toolkit, kind of, sort of. Well, you got 1 bent needle, and you have 3 that aren't bent. You have a poof ball, and a thimble, and a needle threader. Just going to set that aside. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at these colors. Let me shake them down a minute, and then we'll show them to you. We'll do one at a time, if I can get a hold of it. But look at these beautiful, bright, vivid colors. Look at that red. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. These ones that only have like one or, it's usually 1 thread that they leave on there. You know there's going to be a skein of that someplace else, unless it's just for accent and you don't have that many of those. Just beautiful. We have greens and yellows. Kind of a burgundy color. This looks like a dark mocha. Beautiful. Stunning, stunning colors in this. I was just, got to have, you know me. Sucked down a rabbit hole once again. Whoops. I'm trying to, it keeps getting caught over here. But we have some pinks and reds, and look at the yellows and oranges. Just beautiful, vivid colors. Look at all this array of pinks. Ugh, it's to die for. It really is. Oh my goodness. Yes. So, yeah, lots of beautiful colors. 66 of them. And I'll do the flip. Hang on. Look at all that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's going to be beautiful. Just beautiful. Now, here comes the hard part. Now, this whole canvas is serged all the way around. I wanted to open it. Hang on. It's not going to fit on my... Hang on. We have to move a couple things. Okay. But there are some big areas. This is your background here. I was looking... Oh, there's 2 more needles if you needed another needle. Yeah, did they think 12 people were going to work on this? I'm telling you. Oh, I was like, where are the symbols? We hadn't gotten to them. Yeah, I'm just going to flip it up here. But no, the symbols do not match. They're all different. You know, from what the paper was. But isn't that gorgeous? Very nice, brightly colored. Beautiful. Just beautiful. I don't think I want to start on the background part of it, though. Yeah, because you could be there for a hot moment. It does have a serged edge. I am not going to measure this. I'm just going to take its word for it. Let me see if I can pull it down just a bit so that you can see the inside of it. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's nice, heavy canvas. Man, I do have a scroll frame, but God, I don't know. Let me see. You could be on this sucker for like 100 years. I'd rather start on all the flowers and stuff. It was 23. I'm trying to see if it would fit on my scroll. I don't have any tape at this moment. I don't think so. I might have some double-faced tape somewhere hiding. But it's 20, little tad bit over 23 inches that way. So in the actual picture, yeah, we're not measuring it the other way, is 52 centimeters. So it's about 20 and a half. So not bad. You know, I don't think I'd have to fold this in half. Like I have some of them, they're like 60 or 80 inches just this way. You know, and I wouldn't even know where to begin. But it does have lots of big, I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get it down. Lots of, like, rivers of colors. So it's not, I mean, I'm sure it's got its confettied moments. But it is just, I love the way it's printed. All the symbols are very, very easy to read. Get my hand out of there. I don't know if I can, nope, you can't see that. That's a little light. But yeah, it's just very nicely printed. And the thread is nice and soft. Just absolutely beautiful. Just beautiful. Now this one was 1975. So that's a big size for $20, because usually these things are like $50 or $60, you know, for big, huge ones. But yeah, just absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Now, if I get, everything's falling off. Now, Fansells does have diamond painting and cross stitch. Give me just a second. They have crafts for both. I couldn't think what else they had. They have a beaded cross stitch. They have tools, and they also have embroidery in silk and regular embroidery, you know. I'll call it on muslin because maybe it's smug cloth. I don't know if there's a difference between all that. They have just a wide variety of things. They even have jigsaw puzzles and paper quilling. They even sell music boxes. So, if you're, it's a nice place to shop, during Christmas time if you want a wide variety of things to get for people. So lots and lots of treasures to be found. Thank you, Fansells, for sending me these beautiful kits. I love them. Can't hardly wait to start this big one. You know me, always got to start it. Got to start all the things. Whether we ever finish in this lifetime, that won't happen. No, but at least I'll say that I had my hand on it and I stitched some stitches on this. Whether anybody wants to continue after I'm gone, carry on. Thank you guys for watching and putting up with me and all my little things. We appreciate it greatly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.